What's up guys, Mitchell Watts with Town & Country TV, and today I'm excited to bring you this particular truck. So Ruben actually reached out to us from our YouTube channel. He wanted to buy a custom truck and actually have it built out. So he called us and he said, I want to talk to that one guy, and I can't remember his name, but I know he's 6'3". And so he actually reached out to us. We started the custom work on this particular truck, and I'm excited to show it to you today. If you want some more information about either buying a custom truck, the phone number is right there on the screen, 205-491-0000, or if you want to customize the truck you already own, whether it's a Ford, a GM, a Ram, we don't care. We can actually help customize anything that you want, and that number is right below that. That's 205-491-0010. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the truck and what we did on Ruben's truck. So the first thing you'll notice is a set of massive 37 by 1350 on a 20-inch wheel. So this is the Nitto Ridge Grappler, my favorite tire by far. In fact, if you haven't noticed a theme, most of our trucks get these tires because it is the best, I guess you could say, well-rounded tire. And there's a couple reasons for that. You've got these massive tread blocks. You've got plenty of big air. So, you know, I'm 6'3" because I have to say that. You can actually fit your entire index finger in there, but it doesn't sacrifice the actual road noise. So as long as you rotate these tires out pretty well, you're going to get some really good life out of them. Now, once again, we're in Alabama, so we don't really get a whole lot of snow, but from what everybody tells me is these tiny little sipes right here, that's designed to allow snow to pack in there, and it gives you a little bit more traction in snowy or, you know, just icy kind of a conditions. So there you go. So you've got a brand new set of Moto Metal wheels. As you guys know, we are a direct dealer of Moto Metal wheels, which I don't know why that reminded me, but we're actually doing a giveaway right now. If you go to tccustoms.com/giveaway, we constantly have giveaways going on that URL. I'll link that down below. But back to the truck itself, how do we get to these 37 1350s? How do we fit it? And it's very simple. It's with a BDS 4-inch suspension system. So as you can see, you've got the nice radius arm right there that keeps all the steering geometry right in check, kind of keeps everything in line. It's got a new set of replacement springs, and you can see it's also got the nitrous, I almost called it nitrous oxides. It's not nitrous shock absorbers from BDS. You have the ability to upgrade that to coilovers if you want to, but that kit, along with almost every one of these parts, is available on our website for sale at tccustoms.com, so feel free to check that out. As far as the truck itself is concerned, it is a 2020 Ford F-250, and as you can see, it's got the Sport Appearance Package. For 2021, they're actually renaming that package to the Black Appearance Package. It should have been called the Black Appearance Package since day one, but nonetheless, that's what you get. So you get the blackout emblems right here. You've got the painted mirror caps. You've got the black front grille. You've also got some black accents in the back, and let's take a look at those. So as you can see, this one has the 4x4 sticker that is going to be blacked out. That's also a part of that Black Appearance Package for 21. Once again, Sport Appearance Package for the 20. Let's take a look at this. So this is actually one of our staple bed covers. This is our Roll and Lock M-Series bed cover. The reason we like it is because it's the perfect fit, a perfect blend of cost effectiveness mixed in with it's nice. So it's got this vinyl or leather style top to it. Underneath it is a metal. You can actually probably see, Josh, come on this way and you'll see what I'm talking about. So you got the vinyl on the top, but you've also got the metal underneath it. So it really, really looks nice. Now, the nice part about it is you've actually got a keyhole, so you can lock it locked if you want to. Or if you keep it unlocked, you simply turn this and push it all the way forward. It slides all the way forward most of the time. So once again, once that thing gets worked in, and then if you want to, you just pull it right back. And there you go, it's locked back in place. And the other reason I like it versus the hard trifold bed cover, the hard trifold, you have to lift it up to shut the tailgate. This one, you can actually leave everything together, and there you go. It actually seals up pretty darn nice. So once again, probably I would say this is our number 2 selling bed cover. The number 1 is going to be that trifold, and I think the reason for the hard trifold bed cover from Ford is just because it's a little less expensive. So nonetheless, that's what you get. I want to show you the next option that we at TC Customs installed is going to be the AMP power deployable running boards. So a lot of people don't realize this. On the 20 model, it's a totally different part number, but as you open up the door, the amp research steps automatically come down, and when you shut the door, they fold back up. Don't worry, I'm gonna open back up so the camera can see it. But yeah, it's a really nice setup. Now they've got 3 or 4 different versions of this. This is the typical one. This is by far our #1 seller. It's got 1 gear on each side that operates it up and down. If you live in extreme weather, they've got a version of this that's got 2 gears on each side. I would almost say that it's overly excessive even in the cold climates. And then if you've got a truck that's running on 40s or something absolutely crazy, I would recommend going with the Steps XL, the Power Step XLs. Those drop down 3 inches lower than what these do. Once again, I'm 6'3", and you can kind of see it's still a pretty high step, so the factory steps are pretty much useless on these trucks when you start lifting them, unless you just want to get a running start going ahead to it. So yeah, let's do this. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck and kind of show you what's going on there. So as I move around to the other side, kind of give you a glimpse as to what's going on here. Now, we didn't modify anything on the inside. Somebody left their bottle of water. Might have been me, I don't know. I'll take the blame for it. So this particular truck is going to be the Lariat package. Now, if you go with the Lariat Ultimate package, you actually get the push button start. This one happens to have the switchblade key. And so obviously stick that in there, you're good to go. But the nice part is you still have things like your climate control seats. You have heated seats, you have cooled seats, and the dual climate on this particular truck. You know, somebody asked me a little while ago what they thought about, oh, did I lean that back? Yeah, roll tide. Somebody asked me a little while ago, when is the next Super Duty going to get announced? Although I don't have any specific information, I suspect that there's not going to be, you know, in the 2022, maybe 2023 if I had to guess. But let's take a trip down memory lane. The new body style F250 came out in the 17 body style. That was the aluminum bodied Super Duty. And then they came out with the refresh in 2020. So that's 3 model years. If you do that same math, that means that 2023 will be the last model of this, or they might actually come out with a new one in 2023. So 23 or 24 will probably be when you see the next big refresh. Hopefully Ford surprises me and comes out with a lot faster than what they did with the last generation. But nonetheless, this is a solid truck. I have absolutely no complaints. This, I think, is going to be one of the biggest sellers for us, is these Lariat black appearance packages, especially with one that's a little bit more cost effective, because as you can see, it does not actually have a roof. It has a roof. It doesn't have a twin panel moon roof. So there's a couple of benefits there. I've heard a lot of people complain that, you know, oh, mine's leaking and I'm having issues and it's breaking the sunroof. In full disclosure, the last 3 trucks I've had, the XLT gray truck, the red XLT, and then now my Raptor, haven't had a single issue out of those. So maybe just the squeaky wheel gets the oil, I guess what they say. Maybe the people that are having issues are just much more vocal about the people that aren't. But nonetheless, there you go. So as we move back outside, I'm going to show you the last modification that we at TC Customs did to the truck. And that's going to be this sticker that we've got up here. So every order that you guys order within the close of business in January, we're actually going to give you guys a free TC Custom sticker, windshield banner, 100% free to you with any order that you purchase. I don't care if you buy a t-shirt or if you buy a full-blown lift kit, you guys will be getting that starting today. And there you have it. That is our look at this beautiful 2020 Ford F250, custom built by tccustoms.com. Once again, if you want some more information about customizing a vehicle you already own, that phone number is right there. And if you want some more information about buying a truck already customized, the other phone number is right above that. And so thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already done so, hit us up with some comments down below. We'd love to hear some feedback and some ideas on future YouTube videos. But if you haven't already done so, make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel with the bell notification turned on so you don't miss a single video.